Nice engine you got there. You mind turning your car up? So look at what you have in the back. Two nitrous. Man, your car's gonna be on fire after this. Don't say I didn't warn you. Let's have a look on the inside. Good. Yep, you're so dead.